Good evening, my friend Constantine.
I can't see your fan, so.
No, no, no. Mhm. I haven't been to church for the past 2 weeks. My dear pa, my belly take me for 2 weeks now.
I am sorry to hear that.
Let I tell you something you hear. Is risk you run with your life when you go to other people place and eat.
It's true you talk.
You is risk you running. Anything can happen to you. Because some people are not clean. Eh? Some people have some whole dirty plate cloth where they take and wipe out the plate that they put the food in. Some have the plate them in some cabinet with full of cobweb and dirt and them take out the plate, not even catch the water in it and rinse it out and just put the plate in there and give you. So you have to be careful how you go up people place go eat. And me, my belly, my belly, me have to careful. So for the past 2 weeks, them, me have it there near the latrine because my belly take me. And one of my church sister whisper in my ears at church and ask me say, if me no seek physician. So me say, ah, what you talk about then now? In Casilda? She said to me, say, if me no know the scripture where say if you're sick, you will seek physician. Well, me know the scripture and me seek physician. And the doctor say me have to go take one x-ray to find out how we wrong with the belly. So me go and me take a x-ray and the x-ray come back say nothing no wrong with the belly. So me go now and me I tell Sister Cass and she say she know one man where me can go. But me papa, me I go to church, me no have time to go nowhere. Me believe in a me God and if God can help me, me not go nowhere else. Mark your ma. I know say, me no know about the same thing that you know, ma. Me know about it. Because years ago, in a primary school in a fourth class, you did had two boys, them are the good friend. One named George. And the other one did name Mark. And George was very bright, you know. And I don't know where happened, but George used to sweat a lot. So Mark carry two kerchief come at school. Pelican white, me I tell you the kerchief. And say, his mama say, figure George one of the kerchief because George has sweat too much. He look like I ain't going to tell him how George can sweat like a pig. I made dear pa. Arma. I don't know what I can tell you. From the boy give George kerchief. And him fi take one for himself. Hey, hey! He look like said the kerchief when get fi go give George. Mix up. I tell you, oh God, really good, you know. And I him mark have the kerchief where do up, you know, wiping face. And me I tell you, from that blessed day, Mark, yeah, no tap chum matter. Mark no have it tap come at school and in the dance already, you know. I make I tell you, all he hears then cock off so. Mhm. But I'm telling you, when you're digging pit, dig two, because you may drop down in the one where you dig. Mhm. And that happened to Mark. So me learn from them the day. Eh? What could have happened to George? And me say me take heed over the years. So if anybody thinks say they can do me Alfonso anything, tell them to think again. Cannot me. You see me? Me no go a people place go heaty, you know. For me belly, I fi under subjection. So when me I left me yard, eh? Me belly know say if it an a yard. Eh? This a belly you not gone away with me. It can right a yard till me come back. Yes, because the people they have some dirty plate cloth where they might take wipe out plate, give your food we eat out that. That now go happen to me. Yes. So when me I go out, me left me belly a yard. Because eating at people place, eating all about eaty is a risk you're running with your life. Mm. You have to take precautionary measures. Mm? And no son, everybody place you fi go eat. Also hold break front with cobweb fully up with plate in it. Then this goes so babs and take out the plate out of it and dish out food, give you out and even to rinse it out. Catch little water in there and rinse it out. Hmm? Whether they have water in a pipe or have water in a barrel, rinse out it. Then this dish up the food in it, give you same way so. Hmm? They don't know how much rat run past it, how much roach, how much this, how much that, how much cobweb, how much time Nancy sit down in a heat. Eh? And me Alfonso figure heat out of it? No man. I must say, gas take up for me belly. Cause sometimes me no eat. Cause if me have it busy if go out pan the road all 3 4 days, me no eat nothing until me come back. So it look like a gas me have. Yes. So no worry about me.